welcome back to Being Chumbow, the ultimate family show. And today's your girl MM, and I am doing something amazing. So you guys want to keep it locked here. Remember, if you have not yet joined our family, click the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video, because today I'm showing you guys how I am turning a few old t-shirts and a few old stuff into tops and fancy outfits for the summer. So join me as I start off with this t-shirt. So as you can see, that's the t-shirt. Yeah, Mon Jamaica. And we're gonna start with the bottom part. So the idea I'm trying to come up with is have tiny sort of straps here. Turn this into strappy, and also the hands on the side. And so what I'm going to start with is measuring it. We don't want it too long, but we want them a bit equal, like the size of the strap. So I'm gonna make a mark. I need my pencil. So what you need is a tape measure and a pencil. And you're just gonna make a mark up to where you prefer it to end. So that's where I want it to end. That's where I want my frills or straps or whatever you call them to end. So I'm making marks different intervals just to remember where I'm ending everything, you know. And so what we're gonna do is get a pair of scissors after this and start cutting off. And so I'm gonna start with the corner. There you go. I ended exactly at the mark. You can see that. And now we keep going. So I don't usually like them too fat or too thin, so just a medium size will be good. Hey guys, so we've got our Roomba frills here. This is how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna try and do some knots. I'm trying something new. You can leave it like that if you want, but I'm gonna try and knock them up one by one and see if this gives it a different look. I saw it somewhere online, so something like that. So let's do this. Hey guys, so when you're doing this knots, you wanna, let me come closer. You get one of your stuff and you want to tie it. You'll take it round And see, I'm using this middle finger to hold it, and I'll put it in through the loop, and then I'll make sure it goes right to the bottom, so it's there, right at the bottom. And that's how the knot will look when you're done. That's how it looks. So basically we're forming knots at the bottom of each strand, and at the end we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Hey guys, so that's how it looks. And now what we're gonna do is this top part, the collar, we're just gonna cut it off because we want it to be like a top, not a t-shirt. So again, you can either cut it off and have it like a v-neck, or you can have it as a round top. So we're gonna try a v-neck for the front and the back. All I'm gonna do is just outline a V that I'm gonna use for this. So somewhere there, it's gonna go up that way. All right, then you get your pair of scissors and cut away. So now you have it looking something like that, which is almost like a V. I'm gonna try and show it to you guys when I'm done, but this is how it looks. So you can, if you want to make it perfect V, you can keep cutting away, but I like the rustic look or whatever, because once you wash it and everything, it will fold itself or whatever. It will just look pretty. You guys will see when we're done. Promise, it's gonna look good. But you can, like, if you want to, just chop off places that you feel need to be lined up or whatever. So that's up to you. Now we're gonna do the sleeves. So we're just gonna do the same thing we did at the bottom, where we're gonna make some strands and tie them up and put knots in them. So here in the hands, you don't want it too long. You don't want it too long, so you'll probably do, I mean, you can do it longer if you want. You can do the same size. So you can do 3, but as you get towards the bottom, you put it at 2, right? Just because you want it to end at the same spot on the shirt. You don't want the strands too uneven. And here in the middle, you can do 2.5 or 3. 3 is still fine here. All right, let's chop away. So we are done with our top, and now we're gonna try it on. Yay! This is how it looks. Let's try it on. Hey guys, so this is how it looks now. Look at the top, the sleeves. So it's a simple DIY. Sometimes if you want to do it and remove these parts before you start tearing up the sleeves, so the bottom part, so that it starts right here, so that you don't have this hanging loose, this, so you can cut it off, like when you get a t-shirt and you cut off this part and this part before you start, so that you don't have these parts. But basically that's how your summer t-shirt turned into a top looks like. Yay!